Madam President. The EU faces huge challenges in the coming years. Some of them are threats, but others are opportunities. We cannot stand still or choose not to act on these challenges. We need to renew Europe. The record high turnout during the European elections already 6 months ago shows us that our citizens have placed their confidence in us, in all of us. In return, they expect us to deliver concrete results. That is why the European Commission needs to start its work as soon as possible, so that we can start delivering on our promise for a strong European Union that works for our people. The task ahead is not a small one. We need to tackle climate change, ensure a stable economy, be innovative, the digital agenda, but also protecting the rule of law, gain control on migration, and provide safety and security in an unstable world, where we cannot always rely on our old allies. And therefore, I urge the new European Commission to start and to work together with Renew Europe to deliver the results that we need for a prosperous European future. Madam President, together with your team, and I am proud to see you with the composition of that team, I hope we can start together to work on a Renew Europe. Thank you very much.